Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I can show you one website where we can create a business listing backlink. So the website name is expertrates.com and this is a dashboard. So before that we can install something about that website. So according to Acharya, the domain rating is 65 and the spam score is 5% and this website having 1.1 million monthly traffic and the mostly traffic from Saudi Arabia, India, Bahrain, Pakistan and the USA. So this website having that kind of country traffic. This video is sponsored by Intensely. So every businesses should get listed on Intensely. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO. Quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlink to your sites. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link. So you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your businesses plus 10 of your clients. So now we can start. So you can see there is a place and add button. You can click over there and after that you can go with a create account section. There you guys can choose your preferred language. There you guys can put it your email ID. Then you can click for the create account button. Then you guys have to check your spam or email ID, your Gmail, and there is so we received it. After that you guys have to verify your profile. Then you can choose your password. Then you can click for the create password button. Return to sign in page. Click for the sign in and you guys can see this is your profile dashboard and there is a place and add button. You can click over there and you guys can choose your, you guys can go there. Now I'm offering a services and you guys have to choose your category. I can go with a business section. Then you guys have to choose your country, your business, which country your business are listed or which country you want for the rank. Then after that you can click for the next button. There you guys can add your company name, Jobma, video, video interviewing software. There you guys can choose your contact number and in the description section you guys can copy all the details and you guys have to paste it. So there you can going to add this best video interview software Jobma and after that in this section I can going to add all the details. I can also add a email ID and the address. Okay, after that you guys can upload some images. Let me check if we have webp file. Okay, then after that if you want to display your email address you can, otherwise you can choose and do not display because we are using this email ID na, for the backlinking purpose. But if you are using your contact or any business email, so you can choose for the display. Then after that you can click for the publish button. And you guys can see this is your landing page URL and you can see this is our preview and how we can. Okay, activate. Yeah, once you guys can create, then you guys can click for the activate button, then you can activate. Your ad has been activated. Then I can go with my ad section, and this is my backlink. Yeah, so this is our listing backlink, and you can see there is your business number is popping up, and there is your all links for the social media and all the details. So okay, so if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys, and if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me, are your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys can want to connect with me personally, any kind of service project suggestions or something else, so and also I'm living in Delhi, so you guys can found me, so I can provide my social details over the description section. And for the last, if you guys can want to help me something, so you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. I hope you guys will understand and you guys will do something from my side. So okay, yeah, bye bye and take care.